Next, we're going to add alternative text to our chart. So to do this, we're going to click into the table or the chart, and we're going to hit the Format tab on the ribbon. And in Accessibility, we're going to hit Alt Text. And in here, we're going to type what we'd like the alternative text to be, just sales report by segment for Q1 and Q2. Hit X, and the alternative text is now in the chart. Finally, we're going to move the chart. So to do this, we're going to click on the chart, hit the Chart Design tab, and we're going to hit Move Chart to New Sheet, which we're going to label Segment Sales Q1 and Q2. And we're going to click OK. And now it's on its own sheet.